Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. My name's Racquel Henry, the founder of Writers Atelier, and I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 60-second video. Have you tried writing your goals down? Did you know that if you write your goals down, you increase the chances of success by 42%? It's true. Many of you know we have a program called The Right Gym. It's accountability and group coaching program that's online, and we've been running it for roughly about 5 years. And one of the things I encourage our writers to do is check in and write their goals down every single week. And it's because of that statistic. So if you feel like you're maybe a little bit stuck now with goals and you're maybe not hitting your goal, try writing it down. And don't just write it down for, a week or two. Stay consistent and write it down every single week and see how much progress you make. I hope this helps you. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next Motivational Minute. Bye.